test. Actually, ang gusto ng WHO, HPV DNA testing. Nakagawa na kayo ng ganon? Hindi pa. Okay. Ang HPV DNA testing is parang COVID test. No? Di ba? Sundot ilong, ito, sundot sa baba, ipadala sa laboratory, check kung positive or negative. Pag negative, papauwiin. Pag positive, uulitin ko yan, huwag kayong mag-alala. Pag positive yan, anong kailangan? I-VVIA nyo pa rin. Okay? Kung may lesion kang makita, i-treat mo with thermal ablation. Kung hindi, pababalikin mo ulit. I will tell all that mamaya because it's in the slide. Ina-advance ko lang, uulitin ko lang so you can have a recall. Okay? So, yan. So, 90% daw ng may problema dito, dapat daw magamot. Ano yung gamot? Pwedeng thermal ablation, pwedeng cryotherapy, pwedeng conization, yung tatanggalin mo yung buong cervix, no? Pwedeng, depende kung cancer na, refer na yan sa OB, onco, o kaya sa akin. I am a radiation oncologist. So kami yung nag-treat ng cervical cancer hanggang stage 1B, 1, 2 hanggang stage 4. No? At saka brachytherapy. So next slide. Ayan. Pero if you look at the Philippines, paano natin ma-eliminate ang cervical cancer kung ang coverage natin is only at 5%? But this is nationwide, ha? Hindi ko sinasabi na Manila lang, Visayas lang, Mindanao lang. It's a total percentage, no? 5% lang po ang nakukumpletong mabakunahan. Minsan, makikita mo, first dose marami, second dose mababa na. Okay? Now, pagdating sa cervical screening, huwag ka na munang mag-English, huwag ka nang maghumingi ng HPV DNA. Bakit? Visual inspection pa lang, mababa na tayo. Dok, hindi ako naniniwala sa iyo. Ang Pilipinas magaling, mataas ang data. Okay, let's find out. This is based on 2025, no? So, I took part in the 2025 Philippine Cancer Summit, and this is the data that has been presented, no? Kita ninyo, pagdating sa first dose sa bakuna, ang taas. Pagdating sa second dose, ang baba. Question lang. Ano sa tingin nyo, bakit? Okay, that's one. That's a very good statement. I will go into that. Anybody else? Any other opinions? Wala akong ano dito. Wala akong tama, walang mali.
Baka mahulog.
Sometimes po, the reason why there is no second dose.
Asan ka? Sige po. Sorry po.
Kasi po, minsan wala po kaming available na vaccine.
Number 2, availability. That's true. What else?
No follow-up.
No follow-up. Okay. So, nakikita nyo kayo mismo, no? Alam nyo, tama yung mga sagot ninyo, no? That's practically true. Okay. So, when we go to screening, no, yung cervical cancer screening, ang Pilipinas mataas. No? Noong 2023, 0.44%. Alam niyo kung ano yung 0.44%? That's not even 1%. Okay? It's 0.44. Huwag niyo ayaw ko lang tingnan kung nasaan po kayo dito, but this is just a report. Okay? It's not. No? Next slide. No? Okay. Tumaas na raw way back 2024. No? Yung 0.44 naging 1.21. Pero ano ang need ng WHO? 70%. Tama po ba? Ano po ang need ng Department of Health ngayon? 15%? Tama po ba? Ang target nyo po ngayon is 15% of the target at risk population. Tama po ba? Kunwari, ang mga kababaihan ninyo, edad 30 to 65 is, kunwari, 100. Ang sabi ng DOH, ang target nyo should be 15. So, 15% po ang isasabi itong taon na to. Yan po yung alam ko po. Next slide. So, cervical cancer, so kami po, let's deviate from HPV, let's move focus on cervical cancer. Bakit po ba importante ito? Next slide, sige. So, alam niyo na to, where is the cervix? Next slide, sige, alam niyo na yan. Alam niyo po ba, ano po ba ang pinagkaiba ng breast cancer sa cervical? I'll put an analogy. Ang breast cancer, ultrasound ka na ultrasound, mammogram ka na mammogram, aantayin mo siyang maging cancer bago mo siya i-treat. Ang cervical is different. Okay? Ang cervical, ang cause niya is HPV infection. It takes 10 to 20 years, sometimes 25 years bago mag-develop into cervical cancer. Next slide. Ito yung sinasabi ko. Number 1, hindi po lahat ng babae na may HPV magkakaroon po ng cervical cancer. Dumadaan po yan sa steps, no? So, number 1, CIN1 or yung infection, CIN2, CIN3, na normally nakikita nyo ito sa VIA, no? Ang sinasabi namin is kung ikaw ay infected with HPV, 90% of cases magno-normalize. Ito yung sinasabi namin na kapag nakakita ka ng lesion, huwag mong i-treat agad. Huwag mong i-treat, huwag mong i-thermal ablate agad. Tingnan nyo muna, obserbahan nyo, papalikin nyo 6 months, 3 to 6 months, kung nakita nyo nandoon pa rin, even after antibiotics, pwede nyo nang i-treat. O kaya kung wala kayong pang-treat, kung gusto meron kayong HPV DNA, then so, mas maganda para sigurado. Now, ang problem is that, the reality is that, itong stages na to, wala itong simptomas. Because wala itong simptomas, si babae hindi pupunta sa inyo para magpa-tingin. Next slide. So, this is a pictures lang, no? Pictures lang of a normal cervix, cervix with the CIN1, precancerous lesion, at saka cervical cancer. So, makikita nyo, no, it takes from here to there, it takes years, no, normally. Sorry na. I can give you the slide mamaya, don't worry. I'll show you this. I'll give you the slide. Walang problema sa akin. I'll share you my slides, no. So yun. Dito makikita mo itong dalawa na to, wala itong lesion. For cervical cancer, Stage 1, kadalasan wala pang simptomas. Stage 2, minsan meron. Ang first sign of cervical cancer sa akin, yung mga nagpupunta sa akin, normally it's bleeding.
Oh my God.
Oo. By the time na yung una, next slide, sige. I just would like to start it like this, no? So una, nakipagtalik, pinasa ni partner sa babae, no? Si virus bumaba sa basement membrane. Unang-una, bago tayo doon, bakit pink ang cervix? It's because pag nilagyan mo ng acetic acid, these cells, yung mismo cervix lining, these cells are transparent. Sa ilalim are your blood vessels, no? So you see it as parang pinky siya, no? Pag si virus pumasok, no, tapos nag-stay doon sa basement membrane, pag nilagyan mo ng acetic acid, ano mangyayari? Magiging opaque because of the proteins, no? Magiging opaque, magiging puti. Okay? Kaya nga aceto white ang hinahanap natin, di po ba? Kasi pag inilawan mo ng scope mo or inilawan mo ng ilaw, bumabalik yung reflection ng ilaw sa'yo. It registers sa mata nyo as parang puti. Okay? So yan yung HPV or CIN1 or VIA positive, no? Pag kumapal na, ito na yung nakikita mong kumakapal na, no? And then later on, pag may access na siya sa blood vessels, no, sa ilalim, kasi remember, this is basement membrane, nandiyan na yung blood vessels nyo. Pag may access na siya, it can progress. Dahil marami na siyang masustansyang pagkain, no? Because of the blood vessels, it grows and grows and grows pababa ng pababa. What I'm just trying to show is that during at this time po, because nasa balat pa lang yung lesion, do you think they have symptoms? No. Alam niyo ba kapag nagbabiopsy kami ng cervix, wala mang anesthesiang ginagawa. We just say, ma'am, ubo kayo. Ubo ho kayo. Sinasabay namin yung umupo sila para hindi mo maramdaman yung pain. So, cervix is walang pain, no? May pain lang yan kapag nanganganak kasi nasi-stretch out into thin, very, very thin, no? Yun yung pain receptor niya. Pero sensory, wala ho itong pain, no? Now, ito yung point ko na women wait for symptoms to come in. When you wait symptoms to come in, chances are nandito ka na. When you have that vaginal bleeding, normally na prolonged, normally that's already stage 3, 2, 3, and 4. Stage 2, 3, and 4, that's about 300,000 pesos. Nandyan pa yung loss of economic loss. Nandyan pa yung babalik-balik ka sa radiation for 28 sessions. May brachy ka na 4, may chemotherapy ka pa na 6. Okay? Whereas dito, kung nakapagpa-screening ka lang at nakita natin, thermal ablation lang. Ano yung thermal ablation? Bubuka ka yung babae, sorry for my language, no? Ididikit mo lang yung thermal ablation, 20 seconds tapos na. Makakakuha ka pa sa PhilHealth. Case rate. Yes. Cryotherapy or electrocautery. No?